service. Ay, 1 year pa. Masa man?
Ayan eh, wala nung upgrade lagi. Sayang kayo.
Gusto niya ipag-JBL ato yung sa concrete.
Ay, like, ako na ipa-upgrade ang sound siya.
Pakita ko lang ito kay ma'am yung quotation ma'am. Ito yung sa ano natin. So ayan, 1598. Tapos yun nga yung sabi nyo na OD lang. Sabi nila 32. Ito yung total niya. Nag-try ako magpa-discount sana. Ayaw na nila magbigay kay brand new man daw kasi. Pero yun nga, na-discount natin itong freight and handling niya na 39,000. Tapos sa LT, sa insurance, and sa LTO.
Bake, Joe, dahil tamak na. Bake lang ta.
Break yun sa kumada din. Hindi na pwede na bayaran yung natin. Pero kabiyada lang siya, no?
Automatic man, automatic man.
Siya ba? Kanina tayo ba? Hindi na sa diyan mag-gani. Oo. Saan? Mabutan mo bilas ko eh.
Nga na, dyan na tinood. Break, break, break. Ah, wala. Apas na mo. Diwit, ka mo break.
Wala, ayaw man na mangga. Mangga. Ito na yung go, PS4? Iko na ko niya. Iko, nandiyan kayo. Automatic man iba. Oo, dali na yun.
Ah, nandiyan. Ito, yung pa.
Kita kapatid. Ito, bangga.
Segunda. Nga kani minus. Plus ka para mangkusog mo siya.
Mola? Oh, nagaw? Oh, our baby.
Pakita ko lang ito sir. Fair time. Kung may mas malaki tayo ilalagay, pwede mo siya ibaba sir. Mapansin mo dito may singaw. Wala kang makita dyan eh. May maghanap dyan sir. Dito yung mga bagay. Moonroof niya, pwede mo naman siya i-open. Ang jack, tsaka tools. Dito sa ilalim sir ng driver seat. ko, automatic naman to siya, sir. Pag-adjust ka ng upuan. Full leather na rin, kaya wala rin tayo seat cover nito, sir. May jack.
Hindot lang. Hinlap kayo ka na.
Ako siya gagawin siya dark black, ay dark blue.
Sir, pwede na start, sir.
Okay na? Pwede na? Okay na?
Start natin yun.
Dark blue gaw, dark blue ang color sa akong kuan. Char. How does it feel? How does it feel?
Yun, tahimik. Ibig sabihin, pag tahimik pa, sir, okay pa yung battery niya. Pero once na marinig mo na yung engine niya, sir, doon na yung ano niya, sir, parang charge na yan siya, nagcha-charge. Pag naka-charge na ulit, automatic, okay na naman, tahimik na naman yan siya. Meron yung voice command, sir, if ever mag-search ka ng ano, sa details niya, pwede mo siya yung...
Nervous.
On drop?
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.